Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Just wanted to show you real quick. Just got a new box of cards in the mail, okay, for the Six Figure Stamp Club, okay. I had already pre-ordered these cards before they came out with theirs, and they have arrived. So I've got 1,000 postcards I'm going to be using for Six Figure Stamp Club. So go ahead and click that link below if you're interested in joining me in the Six Figure Stamp Club. I'm going to match the leads that they give you if you join at the blue level or higher. This is a direct mail program. The product is leads. We actually sell buyers leads, okay? People that's interested in making money from home. So we'll mail these postcards to the list of leads that I get from the Six Figure Stamp Club, okay? And you can get started, guys, for as low as $100. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link below. Go ahead and check out the website. If you're interested in getting these custom cards like I have, click that link below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? And then you can see this card right here is just for Press 1 Cash, because I'm covering up the website that I'm going to use for these cards, all right? All right, guys, I will see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.